Pandas, retrieving HDF5 columns and memory usage. I have a simple question. I cannot help but feel like I am missing something obvious. I have read data from a source table, SQL server, and have created an HDF5 file to store the data via the following. Output.to_HDF5 name, df, format equals table, data underscore columns equals true, append equals true, complete equals glosk, min underscore item size equals 10. The dataset is 50 million rows and 11 columns. If I read the entire HDF5 back into a data frame, through store.select or read underscore HDF, it consumes about 24 GB of RAM. If I parse specific columns into the read statements, for example selecting 2 or 3 columns, the data frame now only returns those columns, however the same amount of memory is consumed, 24 GB. This is running on Python 2.7 with Pandas 0.14. Am I missing something obvious? Edit, I think I answered my own question. While I did a ton of searching before posting, obviously once posted I found a useful link, this URL. Any suggestions on how to optimize this process would be great. Due to memory limitations I cannot hit peak memory required to release via GC.
If store in table format is a row-oriented store. When selecting the query indexes on the rows, but for each row you get every column. Selecting a subset of columns does a reindex at the end. There are several ways to approach this. Use a column store, like pols. This is currently not implemented by pytables, so this would involve quite a bit of work. Jump through the table. See here and concat at the end. This will use constant memory. Store as a fixed format. This is a more efficient storage format, so will use less memory, but cannot be appended. Create your own column store like by storing to multiple subtables and use select underscore as underscore multiple. See here. Which options you choose depend on the nature of your data access. Note: you may not want to have all of the columns as data underscore columns unless you are really going to select from the all. You can only query on a data underscore column, or an index. This will make store/query faster.
If you want to do so, please don't see that feed.